This plane, you fly it to the ground. And that sounds a little stupid, but you know, what plane do you not fly to the ground? Well, planes that glide to the ground, you pretty much just let them go into a glide slope, and then they do what they're gonna do, and you hope it's really not gonna be a problem. This plane in particular, you fly it until it hits the ground. Always gotta be on your game. And by the way, those flaps aggressively change the angle of attack downward, which I really like on this plane. Look at those sweet lights, guys. I'm gonna try to get in the shade here. Beautiful. I wish you could all order this plane right now. Supreme Hobbies, if you're listening, make another one. Like more than one, maybe. Just to give you guys an idea of how much thrust there is. I felt the wind when I turned just now. Now whether that was Mother Nature or my plane, I'm just going to go with my plane for the sake of argument. Flaps going down, take off, landing. You can get a shot through the nacelle. Are probably not too happy with me right now. Let's check the battery real quick. Just gonna pop this. Yeah, a little puffage, but 60 through 120C Nanotech 4S 4000 milliamp has suited this plane well. Like I said, Lemon RX 7-channel receiver, and I just built this little battery holster thingy. Just stick the leads through it. That's all you got to do to kind of secure the battery, and you got to push down the sides just like squishy foam. And get a shot of this real quick. This is the receiver. I got it built onto this little piece. It's removable, so I can get in there and disconnect wires and things. And then my diversity antennas are pointed in different angles. But the whole idea is that gets held in there both with pressure and from the sides, and then very, very limited pressure, and then the battery holds it down. So it does a really good job of keeping it stationary because it is a stabilizer, so it doesn't need to be stationary, and it needs to stay in orientation or it won't work properly. But guys, this plane is something else. The one thing I wish I had was the 320 with all the features of this plane and the size of the 320, because that thing was a lot easier to manage in terms of getting it to and from the flying field. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.